Welcome once again. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the answers to degrees of comparison which we have completed in our last module. This is a request to you. Being a grammar video, it requires attention. I request you to kindly sit in a peaceful corner of your house with your headphones, notebook and pen. Whenever you require to write, please pause the video. Write the answers and check them in the next video session. If there is any difficulty in explanation, I would advise you to watch the last video once again. Or in case of any doubt or difficulty, feel free to write in the comment box. Before I begin, I would like to revise the topic which we had done last time. That is degrees of comparison type 2. In degrees of comparison, beta, type 2 is comparison between one and another one. That is, it is a comparison between only two people or two things or two places or two countries. In such a scenario, only 2 degrees are possible. For further explanation, I would advise you to watch my last lecture, degrees of comparison type 2. This is just a revision session, hence only the important points will be discussed. 2 degrees which are possible are comparative degree and positive degree. Superlative degree is not possible because superlative is a comparison between one and all others. Whenever we change the degree in type 2, that is from positive degree to comparative degree or vice versa, the first transformation that takes place is the change in the sequence of the sentence. You can see this example on your screen. Kanchan is not as fast as Dimple. This is positive degree. When we change this sentence into comparative degree, the first thing which we change is we change the sequence of the sentence. Dimple is faster than Kanchan is comparative degree. Here the entire sequence of the sentence has changed. The second transformation which takes place is we will have to add or remove a negative. In the sentence, Kanchan is not as fast as Dimple. You can see not as fast as Dimple in positive degree. We are using not, negative word. When we change this into comparative degree, it will become Dimple is faster than Kanchan. So we have actually removed the negation here. 3 things you need to remember. Number 1, the sequence of the sentence will change. Number 2, we will have to add or remove the negative. And number 3, superlative degree is not possible in such sentences. Let us begin. The first question was, my horse runs faster than my dog. My horse runs faster than my dog. When we change this from comparative degree to positive degree, the answer will be, my dog does not run as fast as my horse. My dog does not run as fast as my horse. You can see both the transformations taking place. Transformation number 1, the sequence of the sentence has changed. That is, my dog, which is in the end. In the answer, it is in the beginning. Similarly, in sentence number 1, the question, my horse runs faster than the dog, there is no negative word. But in the answer, my dog does not run as fast as my horse, there is a negative word. Hence, both the transformations have taken place. Superlative degree is not possible, only 2 degrees possible in this sentence. Second question is, Canada is not as cool as Greenland. The answer would be, Greenland is cooler than Canada. Greenland is cooler than Canada. The third question is, ICSE is better than SSC. ICSE is better than SSC. This sentence is in comparative degree. The positive degree will be, SSC is not as good as ICSE. SSC is not as good as ICSE. The fourth question is, the rabbit is not as quick as the cobra. The rabbit is not as quick as the cobra. The answer is, the cobra is quicker than the rabbit. The cobra is quicker than the rabbit. The fifth question is, Mount Everest is higher than the Kanchenjunga. Mount Everest is higher than comparative degree. When we change into positive degree, the answer is Kanchenjunga is not as high as Mount Everest. Kanchenjunga is not as high as Mount Everest. The sixth question is, iron is not as costly as steel. Iron is not as costly as steel. The answer is, steel is costlier than iron. Steel is costlier than iron. The seventh question is, milk is hotter than tea. Hotter than, comparative degree. Milk is hotter than tea. The positive degree is, tea is not as hot as milk. Tea is not as hot as milk. The eighth question is, James did not score more than John. James did not score more than John. More, comparative degree. The answer is, John scored as much as James. Question number 9. Japan is more industrious than Korea. Japan is more industrious than Korea. The answer is, Korea is not as industrious as Japan. The last question is, India is not as large as China. The answer is, China is larger than India. China is larger than India. So these were the answers to the assignment given. In our next lecture, we will begin with the last topic of degrees of comparison, that is type 3. Please do not miss the next video. I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you receive the notification of the next lecture in time. Before I wrap up, this is an assignment for the next session. I expect you to write the answers and check them honestly. Thank you.